Where are we going, Dan?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. What? Dan almost just smacked his face into the metal doors. The single greatest thing about airports.
Here it is, here it is.
Ready? Alright everybody, so mistake number one.
This guy walked down the wrong freaking terminal.
Dan followed me blindly down a
I did. Blind leading the
Terminal
blind, guys.
G.
Don't do it.
We're technically supposed to be in S, so hopefully we don't have to go through security again. So this is the way we were supposed to go. Dan is now leading the tour, not me, because I led him astray.
Turn off the stove. You can use your small lightweight electronic devices, but they must be unplugged to be all necessary.
I wanna leave it all behind. Sailors, it's just you and I.
That's the coolest little display ever.
About to go to Costa Rica. Is that right? Costa Rica?
Yeah, it's one of them rock places.
What are them coaster places? To Costa Rica.
We are in Costa Rica, taking a wonderful drive with our lovely driver here. The clouds are beautiful. You can't see them though. Look at that. Oof. Now look at Dan. Now look at the clouds. Now look at Dan. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so freaking beautiful. It's crazy. How do you feel, Dan?
I feel alive. Dude, it feels good to be off the plane.
Yeah, for real though.
Excited.
We've been on the plane since, what was it? Midnight. So we are excited to explore the wonders of Costa Rica. It's gonna be beautiful. Day one of just me and Dan, waiting for the other boys to come in. As Dan is just dancing. So the first thing we have to do, obviously, because we're in a hotel room, a jump. Dude, what if you missed? If you missed, I would have been so sad. You ready?
This is our view from the hotel. Yeah, very nice. This is the hotel. And, oh god, that's, yep.
This traffic is madness. Look at this. There's no laws. Lawless. And you don't drive? That's crazy. This is Raquel.
Yep.
Met on Yes Theory fam. Pretty cool.
Raquel's showing us around the city. Yeah. Where are we going?
We're going to have some Costa Rican food now.
Yeah. Food.
Cool. It's like they have like shipping containers. Like Costa Rica.
Got it. Got Raquel's. Christopher's. Them banana leaves, boy.
So good, so delicious. Drinking the Mexican Coke. And then there's Trump. The staple of Costa Rica. Wait, what is this place?
Casamanga.
What is Casamanga?
Casamanga Oh,
Just say a place for nerds.
yeah, it could be a place for nerds.
Look at all this comic book stuff. This is nuts. Dude, I just found like the nerd heaven of Costa Rica. This is so awesome. Just chilling here with this. Alright, we're here in this gamer bar in Costa Rica, and Dan is challenging Raquel to some video games. It's gonna be epic. USA versus Costa Rica. Look how hard they're mashing those buttons just to win. And they thought I was a nerd. Basically just gonna pop it while learning like that. So
I'm pretty excited. Red beer. I haven't had that.
Raquel is making us taste these colorful beers.
She's gonna fall asleep for like
Salud.
Salud to the colored beer. This is crazy. No one else? No one? Anyone? Alright, we're trying to get more people to dance on this dance floor. Hopefully, more people will join us. This is the goal. Get your friends to California! I'm from Nicaragua! Hey, Nicaragua! Day one with Raquel, our wonderful tour guide. So, you guys are ever in Costa Rica?
come visit me.
Next week on Life is Meant for Adventure. It's day number 2 and Billy has arrived. Woo! And we are ready to embark on the beaches of Guanacaste. It is going to be quite an adventure.
We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time.
Oh, that was a photo.
Keep it shining like the stars.
Yep, everyone